They were trigger happy too, issuing the test at 2:18 p.m. Here I am thinking it's going to be 2:20. So that's the National Periodic Test. Very brief. You can see it there. National Alert. And they did it at 2:18. And you can see all my radios. I wish they would tone them on NWR, but they don't. That would be amazing, honestly, just have every single one of my radios go off for the code National Periodic Test. But not bad. That concludes it. They were trigger happy at 2:18, unless it was supposed to be issued at 2:18, but there you go.